Hey guys, Reptile Kid, making an update on my turtles. Happy Thanksgiving. I was just gonna make a video for Thanksgiving break, so here it is. They're outside in my backyard, walking around, exploring. First time I let them out in my backyard. All the other times I bring them to the front yard and just sit there, just with them. But now I'm just gonna let them walk around. It's good. They're basking, being on their own. It's cool. It's nice. I have to clean their shell over there because there's like an algae on it, but okay. Yeah, just exploring. Switching. Yeah. Mappy, Roger, Mappy. Turtle vision. We're going different directions. I'll bring it back here. Here's your brother, Mappy. Get these plants away from their mouths. They're basking. Yeah. Well, basically, yeah, they're just gonna walk around the backyard. Hold on. So, yeah, well, bye. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe.